Hi, welcome to the Staking Geek channel. Today we're going to look at the Phoenix project and the way they are giving crypto traders a systematic edge with their AI technology. Let's get right into this one. We're going to come back to their website in a second. Let's go over here to CoinMarketCap, do a quick review. So their token price is around 82 cents. They started out in November of 21 around 91 cents. They peaked out in September of 2022, $1.97. They are currently ranked 505 in total market cap. Their ticker is PHB. You can purchase that token on Binance. You can swap for it on PancakeSwap using your MetaMask. They are compatible with Ethereum virtual machine. So as long as you're on the Binance Smart Chain network and you have some assets, you're able to swap for the PHB token. All right, so let's head back over to their website. And if we scroll down and learn a little bit more about Phoenix. So this Skynet technology is their computation layer, is a component of their framework that handles the computation and processing of data using GPU-enabled compute. Is designed to bring AI-driven capabilities to blockchain applications and various Web3 features to off-chain apps. This is an open platform where users can deploy, run, and scale AI models on Web3-based infrastructure. This is basically AI on demand, so we're going to get into AlphaNet, and if I scroll down and take a look at who's involved in this particular project, we got Binance, ByteDance, which is TikTok, Anchor, which is the infrastructure for crypto, Alibaba Cloud, Alchemy Pay. So if we scroll back up here, we're going to start with this Nimble. It's an AI-generated content platform. I'm not going to go too far into it, but if you want, you can learn a little bit about their collections and NFTs that were generated by AI. There's the link, nybl.io. All right, let's go back over here. So we're going to discuss this AlphaNet. So if we come over here, there it is, alphanet.phoenix.global is their link. And this provides insight. So Viper AI is their flagship deep learning based AI for shorting and longing signals. You can get access to the full version by staking PHB, and we'll get into that in a second. They claim it's profitable in any type of market condition. So this strategy was built using over 6 months and 7,200 man hours of research and development. Right now it has around 140 features. These 3 are free right now, and you don't have to be staking any PHB. So if we click on here, I have it already open. This AI directional strength predictor is analyzing past market data and predict directional probabilities. This min-max, this minimum maximum, assessing local tops, bottoms of price in real time. And the volatility switch model is forecasting market volatility right here on the bottom. So here we go. We open a short. We close it, and this is basically giving you the capabilities of being a sophisticated trader, having an edge, having some alpha. So they currently have lots of different pairs to take a look at. So if you want to come over here, you'll need to sign up using an email and a password. You need to verify that as well. So, all right, so we head back over here. So those are 3 free features of this platform. If you want to get into subscribing, so T1, what that means is you're going to have to stake 30,000 PHB tokens. So that roughly just under $30,000. And also for Viper AI. So with WaveML, it provides more in-depth signals to detect inefficiency and short-term trends and market dynamics. You can identify trade opportunities and leverage this VWAP or Wave VWAP, volume weighted average price, and they also have this Wave VWAP cross to identify trend continuation or structural breaks. So if you're not a crypto trader, this could be an opportunity just to invest in the token if you have those capabilities and stake. We're going to get into staking so you can earn APY by just holding the token and seeing where it goes over the next bull run. And you can also take advantage of this Viper AI, which you will need 30,000 PHB token stake to be able to subscribe to this. All right, so if you want to learn a little bit more about, they have a tutorial. I'll leave the link here. It's 7 minutes. They discuss WaveML and Viper AI in more detail. All right, so how do we stake the PHB token for crypto passive income? Let's come over here. Staker.phoenix.global is the website. You'll need to connect your wallet. So if I disconnect that, well, there's your options. You have Binance or Trust Wallet or MetaMask. You'll need to approve the contract. You will need a little bit of BNB in your MetaMask on Ethereum to be able to pay for some gas fees. So once the contract is approved, your PHB tokens are on the Binance Smart Chain network on Ethereum. Or if you have the Binance wallet, you can just have that on the Binance. Probably a little bit easier, but the MetaMask is more widely used. You'll be able to stake your PHB tokens, and you're currently earning between 11.5% and 22% APY. There is a 7-day unstaking hold, so once you stake them, it'll take 7 days to get those unstaked. So that's basically it for the Phoenix project. I'm currently researching 10 or so projects a week. A lot of them I'm not going to do videos on. I've published a lot of the good ones already, but I will continue doing the research and see if I can find some good ones that are out there. I'll release another one over the next week, and keep an eye out for any other good ones that are coming online. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be safe and take it easy.